ॐ हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषणपावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये. I welcome everybody to the Swadhyaya Jnana Yajna program by Academy of Yoga and Oriental Studies, Bhubaneswar. This is a lecture series on Gheranda Samhita by Dr. Indulata Das, Director, Academy of Yoga and Oriental Studies, Bhubaneswar. I am Indulata Das. This is the lecture number 12 of Gheranda Samhita, and today we will discuss on Padmasana. This is the third lecture on second chapter of Gheranda Samhita. Now first let us discuss about the significance of the name Padmasana, why it is called Padmasana. Padmasana is a very important asana. It is also known as Kamalasana. Padmasana is also known as Kamalasana. Padma or Kamala means lotus. The asana which has some resemblance with lotus is Padmasana. It is called Padmasana because it has some resemblance with an open lotus. Now, importance of lotus. There is a lot of importance of lotus in our culture. Lotus is a favorite seat of Goddess Lakshmi, and most of our goddess and gods and goddesses, they love the flower lotus. Goddess Lakshmi is sitting here in a posture which resembles the lotus on which she is sitting. This is a posture. She is sitting. Goddess Lakshmi is sitting on a lotus, and her posture resembles the flower. Now, first technique of Padmasana is described in Gheranda Samhita. It is like this: Bamo rupari dakshinam cha charanam samstapya bamang tatha daksha rupari paschimena vidhina dhrutva karabhyam drudham angushthau hrudaye nidhaya chibukang nasagram alokayet etat vyadhi vinasana karang padmasanang prochyate. Steps of Padmasana according to the description is like this. One should sit on the ground. It is not mentioned here, but it is understood. He should place his right foot on his left thigh. Right foot on the left thigh. Then he should place his left foot on the right thigh. Then he should hold his right toe by the left hand by encircling from the back side. Then similarly he has to hold his left toe by right hand by encircling from the back side. And he has to press his chin against his chest. He should look steadily at the tip of his nose. Now this is Padmasana by Sunil Kumar Devata. He has done it perfectly. He is holding both the big toes by opposite hands. He has encircled his arms from the back side. Very nicely, very perfectly he has done it. Now benefits of Padmasana as described in Gheranda Samhita. Etat vyadhi vinasana karang Padmasanang prochyate. So it removes all kinds of diseases. Padmasana removes all kinds of diseases according to Gheranda Samhita. No specific disease is mentioned here. That means the practitioner enjoys general health if he practices Padmasana regularly. Now let us compare the Padmasana of Gheranda Samhita with the Padmasana of Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Because Hatha Yoga Pradipika is a very important book of Hatha Yoga. In Hatha Yoga Pradipika there are some additions. We find 2 more variations of Padmasana in Hatha Yoga Pradipika. So in total there are 3 kinds of Padmasanas in Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Now description of Padmasana in Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Number 1, first there are 3 Padmasanas I have told. This is number 1, and the number 1 Padmasana is just same as the Padmasana of Gheranda Samhita. The description is also almost the same. There is a little difference in the wordings. So the description is like this: Bamo rupari dakshinam cha charanam samstapya bamang tatha daksha rupari paschimena vidhina dhrutva karabhyang grudham angushthau hrudaye nidhaya chibukang nasagram alokayet एतद् व्याधि विनाशकारी जमिनं Padmasanam prachyate. So these are the steps according to the description. The practitioner should sit on the ground, although it is not written, although it is not mentioned, it is understood. He should place the right foot on the left thigh and the left foot on the right thigh. He should then firmly hold both the big toes by both the hands from behind by encircling from the back. Then he should press his chin on the chest and look at the tip of his nose. Just the same description as we have seen in Gheranda Samhita. Now Padmasana number 2, this is available in Hatha Yoga Pradipika but not in Gheranda Samhita. The description is like this: Uttanau charanau krutva uru samstau prajatnatah uru madhye tathottanau pani krutva tatadrusho nasagre vinyaset raja danta mule tu jihvaya uttabhya chibukang bhakhya suthapya pavanang shaneh. This is Padmasana number 2 of Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Thus, so the steps according to the description is like this. The steps are like this. The practitioner should put both his feet turned upward on both his thighs. Then put his palms turned upward between the thighs. Then he should press his chin against the chest. He should fix his gaze on tip of his nose. Then he should press his tongue against the root of the big teeth. Then he should raise his prana slowly. So these are the steps. And this is the picture of Padmasana number 2. This is done by Sunil Kumar Devata. He has put both his feet on the opposite thighs and then he has put his palms on the thighs. Then he has pressed his chin against the chest. So this is number 2, perfectly done. Now Padmasana 3 according to Hatha Yoga Pradipika. This Padmasana is instructed by Yogi Matsyendranath. So according to this, the practitioner should assume Padmasana perfectly. He should place both the palms one on the other. Then he should press the chin strongly against the chest. Then he should repeatedly raise the palm upward and press the prana downward. He has to raise the palm upward, at the same time he has to press the prana downward. So this is the number 3. The benefit of number 3 is also mentioned in Hatha Yoga Pradipika. It is like this: Padmasana sthita yogi nadi dwarena puritam marutam dharet jastu sa mukto natra samsaya. That means he who fills his lungs with air and practices kumbhaka while sitting in this Padmasana is liberated. So this is the benefit of the third type of Padmasana. So like this, we have discussed Padmasana mentioned in Gheranda Samhita, and we have compared it with Padmasana of Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Thank you for listening to this lecture. I shall be happy if you have any question and you write your questions in the comment box. I shall be happy to answer your questions. Thank you.